Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of flip. You click on settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about flip app and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.